everyone! Today we are going to draw and color Kuromi. She is a cute and playful character, and we will use very simple shapes. Let's begin! First, I draw a large, rounded shape for Kuromi's head. I keep the lines smooth and easy to follow. Now I add one long, pointed ear. Then I draw the second pointed ear on the other side. I add a small circle to the tip of each ear. Next, I draw the opening for Kuromi's face inside the hood. Now I draw the small skull in the middle of her forehead. I use a rounded shape for the skull. Then I add two small eyes and two short lines at the bottom. Now I draw Kuromi's first eye. I make it dark, simple, and slightly tilted. Then I draw the second eye. I add a few small eyelashes to complete her expression. Next, I draw a tiny oval nose. Then I add her small, smiling mouth. Her cute face is ready! Now I draw the pointed collar under her head. I add 4 small circles to decorate the collar. Next, I draw a simple rounded shape for her body. Now I add one short arm and a rounded hand. Then I draw the second arm and hand. I continue with Kuromi's 2 short legs. I make the feet large and rounded. Finally, I draw her little devil tail with an arrow-shaped tip. The complete outline is ready. Now it is time to add color. First, I color Kuromi's hood black. I fill the large shape carefully and stay inside the outlines. I color both pointed ears and the small circles black too. Now I color the skull bright pink. I keep Kuromi's face and body white. I add a soft pink color to her little nose. Next, I add pink to her little mouth. Now I color the pointed collar black. I make the 4 round decorations bright pink. Finally, I color her little tail black. Kuromi is finished! Thank you for drawing and coloring with me today. See you in the next video!